Hi, everyone. Have you ever thought about making a course or an online program, but you're not quite sure because you don't want to put in all that time and effort and money for it to not even sell? Or maybe you've done that in the past where you've created something and you put it out there and maybe one or two, or like your mom bought it and that's about it. It kind of went dead in the water. Well, when I first started making programs, late 1990s, yes, I'm that old, that kind of was happening to me. And then in 2000, I figured it out and it started making money like hotcakes. Everything I launched made money. And it was amazing. And as I polished and tweaked the marketing strategy for the programs, they got better and better and better. And that's why I believe everyone should have a program, because no matter what is going on in your life, you can be creating income, scalable income. So that's why I'm here to explain to you 4 reasons why you do want to have that online program. And for those of you that don't know me, I'm Tracy Blehm of Tracy Blehm Coaching, and my flagship training is Signature Program Mastery, where I teach you how to create online courses or an online program so that you can add 6 figures to that bottom line of yours. So let's dive in. So the first reason why you want a program is it enables you to increase your income exponentially. And that occurs when you are consistent and strategic with how you market it. So what I mean by that is, let's use launches as an example. It can be an evergreen, but you can also do launches, which is kind of like an evergreen because you're constantly doing it, so it's always making money. And let's say you launch 2 to 3 times. So 2 to 3 times, or every quarter, you have a big boost in your income, and then it just runs itself. You don't have to do anything else. You can be over here doing all your other service offerings. And the strategy that comes with that is, which months do you launch? How often do you launch? So, for example, depending on what your service offering is, you might offer something in the spring. If you're a specialist with people in regards to golf performance, right? You would be right in there in the spring. And then over winter, you could create a program where in the wintertime, they're doing certain exercises and that at the gym or at home. So come spring, they are ready to hit those links and just become the envy of all their friends. Plus, the more consistent you are with your said launches, the better at it you become when it comes to marketing and converting. So it usually takes 2 to 3 times of launching to really dial it in for yourself so that you are hitting 6-figure launches every single time. And who doesn't want that? That would be lovely. The second reason is you can add that online course to your existing services. If you want to keep offering what you're offering, that's fine, but an online course enables you to give that income boost without massive additional work from you. Now, in the beginning, let's be honest here, in the beginning, there is a time and monetary investment to get that program built. There is cost in time and money in order to market it, but it's minimal once you get that system figured out, just like I mentioned in number 1. And then it's just, nothing. You launch it, you put your stuff in, and you get this massive income coming in. It's quite delicious. Let me give you an example. Let's say you see 30 clients a week and you charge out at $81.25 an hour. That gives you $2,437.50 a week in gross revenue. Now, this number is from local massage companies that I've Googled to have a recent number. You multiply that by 4 weeks, you get $9,750 a month in gross income. Now, let's say you add an online course priced at $997. You would only need to sell 10 courses a month to add $9,970 extra to your income that month, where all you need to do is sell it, and then people are doing it without any interaction with you. Or let's say you offer a course priced at $14.97, which for me is kind of a delicious little sweet spot for people, and you sell 10 of those per month. That adds $14,970 to your income a month. Not too shabby. So the third reason is, when you add an online course and you master your marketing, you are able to create whatever income level you desire because it's so scalable. Let's go through that. Let me show you what I mean by that. Let's say you start out selling 5 programs at $14.97 a month, which adds $7,485 a month to your income and $89,820 per year to your income just by selling 5 courses. Then you get a little better at your marketing. You tweak your sales page a bit, and you get to 10 programs a month at $14.97. That adds $14,970 a month to your income and $179,640 per year to your income. Then let's say you get even better with your profitable content and client attraction, tweaking your message to even more magnetic, and you are selling 20 programs at $14.97 a month, which is adding $29,940 to your monthly revenue and $359,280 a year overall. That's without adding extra in-person or single sessions to your existing offerings. That's without having live in-person workshops or anything else. And you could hire people to handle some of the interactions online if you have them to some degree as part of your program. So what I mean by that is, if you decide to add a Facebook forum or a Facebook group where you go in and answer questions, you can hire people to answer questions for you. You can hire people to do any kind of onboarding or bookkeeping or whatever, or tweaking to any of this when it comes to marketing and messaging, or if you want to add something to your program or remove it. So you're not required to do any of that either, but you can keep making the income. Now, the fourth reason that an online program is amazing is because you do not have to give up your one-to-one clients or your sessions. You can keep that going, but still have a giant income boost. One of the things I hear a lot from my clients is, but I love working with my people. I enjoy doing this thing. You still can, but you can only have 24 hours in a day. And in order to reach your income goals, you don't want to be adding supplements or this or that, because then you still have to pitch them constantly. Whereas with an online program, it can keep churning if you have your marketing system put together after the fact. And sometimes people, if they do one-to-one clients, they will cherry pick out their favorites and kind of fire everyone else. And they typically, once they start hitting those higher six-figure incomes from their program, they kind of shave back their one-to-one client sessions. So they're only working maybe half with the people that they absolutely love and adore. And then they leave the rest, they just kind of bless and release them out. So that is a huge perk when you only work with your favorites. Plus you can scale and make exponential money. You get to decide how you want to work that. So an example of a price increase is when we first started with our clinic, we were charging $85 an hour for a massage. And when we launched our fertility blueprint program, we were then charging $145 an hour. And our therapists loved that because they got a massive income boost. That didn't just go into the company's pocket. We split that with our team so that they got an income boost. They were excited. They were happy. They were showing up stronger. We were getting way more committed and dedicated clients. It was just a full-on win-win, and everyone was happy. So if you're ready to get going on a signature program, you're ready to create something so that you can have these 4 delicious things happening for you, I invite you to check out our signature program mastery training. If it seems like it's a fit for you, book a call. We'll chat. We'll see if it is a fit for working together. It's okay if it's not. We can still be friends. But let's see what your vision is. Let's see where you need some assistance to make that happen for you so that you can add that 6 figures to your bottom line. Just start enjoying life and the impact and the time freedom that's out there waiting for you. I'll see you in the next video. Be sure to subscribe. Cheers.